What's up guys, my name is Enzo Kim. I'm back again for another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your own pair of Vans slip-ons. Because it's summer, we're going to be doing a sunset theme to match the summer season, so sit back, relax, let's get to work. To begin the custom, we're going to be using this red vinyl tape to tape up the outsole so we don't get the paint on it. I like to use this tape because it's a lot more flexible than the other tapes. It goes around the outsole, even where it's curved. It just makes the process a lot easier. Now that we're done using the red vinyl tape, we're going to be using the masking tape to cover up the back portions of this shoe. Now that we're done taping, we're going to go ahead and stuff the shoe with some towels so we can keep the shape of the shoe while we're painting it. Alright, now that we're done taping and stuffing, we're going to go ahead and use some Angelus white with some Too Soft. And we're going to go ahead and leave a base coat on top of the shoes. Now that we're done using the Too Soft mixture, we're going to go ahead and lay out the lightest colors first to represent the sun. So what I'm going to do is use white and yellow, maybe a little bit of maize. We're going to go ahead and go in this somewhat of a semicircle motion. Now you don't want to completely mix the white with the yellow, so just kind of make it a gradient. Now that we're done adding the yellows, we're going to go ahead and add the oranges. I'm going to be using this Collector's Edition Blaze 8 along with this Buttecup. So when I'm blending the colors, I like to use the filbert brush and do the circular motion. And you don't want to drag all these dark colors down into the lighter colors. You'd rather drag the light colors up. So now we're going to go ahead and add the pink and the red. And we're not going to blend these colors in with the orange just yet. Just leave a little bit of space like that. Now what we're going to do to blend these colors is use white. So what the white does, it mixes in with the pink, and it becomes a pink of its own, but then it also mixes with the Blaze 8 color to make a different kind of orange. And because they're lighter, it makes the mixing process a lot easier. And now that we're done laying out the pink and the red, we're going to go ahead and add the blues. We're going to do the same process as last time. We're going to go and add some of this white. You can help blend the colors. Because orange and blue are definitely not colors you want to mix too often, especially when making the sunset color. Darker to lighter, so we're going to grab this regular blue. Go ahead and mix it up with the pale blue. And then we're going to go back and add that white. You want to make sure these colors blend into each other and don't look like lines. I'm just going to dry it now and then go ahead and add the clouds. So for the clouds, all you want to do is a little circular motion. Now we're not leaving these clouds only white, but we're gonna go ahead and use white as the base coat. And we're gonna be using these yellow and orange colors for the clouds closer to the sun. All right, next step. Now for the ocean, we're gonna go ahead and make it red. Mix it with a little bit of mustard, a little bit of white. Let's lighten up the color a little bit. We can go ahead and mix. You should get this light red color. Go ahead, add some red streaks. Grab some white to represent the reflection of the sun. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the black. We're going to be using the black to lay out the shapes and outlines of the details we want. Now that we finished painting these shoes, we're gonna hit it with some Angelus water stain repellent. So what this does is, this adds extra protection to the shoes and helps it keep it from getting dirty. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Enzo Kim. You can find me at EHK Customs on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.